Morning, everybody. Morning, members. Morning, friends. Welcome to our 30th anniversary special event meeting.
At ClimateCare, we're really passionate about helping Canadian independent HVAC contractors take their businesses to the next level so they can have more fun and make more money.
I'm proud to be a second-generation ClimateCare member. My father joined ClimateCare, and they've helped guide us, him and us, through the changing world of HVAC for the last 15 years.
I've been a member for 18 years now, and one of the best things about it is you have a group of like-minded individuals that if you have questions or concerns or issues, you can just put it out there, and then people are so willing to help you out. And that's one of the best things that I find about it.
So one of the things I think that's really important about ClimateCare is that our We Care promise is that we care about our customers, we care about our employees, we care about our communities. I think that really holds true, like being part of this group, everybody works together. They are a team, a family, so to speak, and everybody works together for the greater good of the organization while continuing to run their independent businesses.